Wow! Power lah!
我还未过嘞，哇！
For the past 2 days, we had a fun time visiting some of Istanbul's popular attractions.
Oh!
Personally, my highlight was the Hagia Sophia. This place is huge. I mean, in terms of architecture, how? Today, we say goodbye to Turkey and head on to our next country, which is supposed to be Greece. Wow. But because of that page and my father-in-law is a big fan of. And then now she's with her favorite, Bruno Fernandes. We are heading to Manchester. Yeah, I think that's the car. In case you're wondering which football club I support, it's Liverpool! Liverpool! Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Take care. Thank you. But it's not about me today, it's about Paige and my father-in-law. Okay, let's fly 4 hours to Manchester. Alright, we're here in Manchester. Yeah, the Manchester airport reminds me of Edinburgh airport. Okay, whoa, it's much colder here in Manchester. Anyway, we're taking an Uber because we need to head to our Airbnb quick and then head to our first place where Paige is most excited about. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. Here in our Airbnb, very nice here. Let's get going. Wow, I know we just got here in Manchester, but so far the vibe, very nice. Okay, let's go. We're here at Old Trafford. So we're gonna head over to our meeting point, which is at the Sir Alex Ferguson stand. So the stadium tour gives you, of course, the stadium tour, and then you have access to the dressing room, pitch side photo opportunities, as well as a visit to the museum and trophy room. 1, 2, 3, yay!
United win it by 2 goals to 1. Everyone expected it to be City's day, but it's Manchester United's day at Wembley. Sheer joy!
So yeah, I feel there's really quite a lot to see here in the trophy room as well as the museum, so I think it's best to come here earlier as recommended so that you have enough time to really enjoy them.
You will visit the stadium later. You will see this. Ooh, our stadium screen.
We are here at the meeting point. Let's start our stadium tour. But we have a spy from Liverpool fan joining us at the stadium tour.
I think it's time to start the tour. Whoa! So where we are right now is at the Sir Alex Ferguson stand, which is the north side and is the largest stand here. And then as you can see over opposite us is the Sir Bobby Charlton stand, which is on the south side, and that is where we will be tomorrow. And then over to the east side is where the disabled and the away fans will be. And then over on the west side is the Trafford, and that's where all the passionate fans will be. Right now we're in the south stand, the Sir Bobby Charlton stand, and I think, do you guys see this? EE, this is where we're gonna be sitting tomorrow. Whoa! 下面一点走，再下面一点啊。Right now it's so quiet and empty, and tomorrow is gonna be so different. I think it's gonna be something like... Can't wait for it. Okay, so we're right now in the dressing room. Paige is with her favorite, one of her favorite Man United player, Delete, which she calls Delight.
Fernandez, and also Garnacho.
And then Garnacho. I think this is number one favorite. Number one favorite, right? Yeah, so what? And then her number one favorite, Bruno Fernandes. Huh? She got a lot of favorite, huh? Now she like Euro also.
But I find Euro have a very
very kind face. So what we learned is that 8 minutes before the players have to exit the dressing room, the referee will ring the bell, and then he will ring it again, and then Bruno Fernandes or whoever is the captain for the day will have to lead the team out of the dressing room. We're now walking through the Munich tunnel where all the Man United players and legends have walked through. And this is the music that will be played before they exit the tunnel. Wow.
So if you want to get your pictures, this is your last opportunity really.
And now we're at the home team's seating area. And then this is the new manager, newly appointed manager of Man U. And this is where Jamie Carragher and Gary Neville will be when they are commentating, as well as the cameras where we're looking the match from our TVs. And of course, we're here at the press conference room. And finally, of course, we're here at the Mega Store, which is where you buy all the merch. So that pretty much does it for Man U stadium tour. See you on game day. Okay, we're here at the Victoria Warehouse, which is within easy walking distance from the Old Trafford Stadium. It was too loud inside now. But anyway, what we got was a Victoria Warehouse package. It provides you with access to 3 hours pre-match and 1 hour post-match. And then the package also includes some drinks on arrival, as well as complimentary bar, and then followed by delicious street food. Let's go! Wow! Wow! Power lah! Manchester United! Here's out!
3 points the objective. Manchester United looking to continue their winning run after their European victory in Romania. Facing the Crystal Palace side whose balloon was burst by Brentford on the weekend.
Take me home, country road.
United Road.
Okay, seriously, start already.
And the target is Nusayr Mazraoui. No flag for the moment. Set for an imaginary one waved by Ben Thornley. Here comes Kobbie Mainoo. Showing a goal as well. Now Ahmed, what can he do from this range? Slip in defence as well, and Mainoo off the frame of the goal. And before Garnacho can get there.
half time now.
Like, it's more than what I imagined. Then I was telling Manfred like, oh my god, how great it is if we can come and watch every week. I'll be like a season pass ticket holder. Just being in the pitch, right, the stadium, hearing the supporters, and then seeing the players so up close, and then really play in front of our eyes. I think we have some good chances lah. But then they didn't take it. I think pretty even lah. Both teams are pretty even at the moment. So hopefully you can see some goals for the second half.
Now Ahmad, a couple of red shirts still catching up. One of them's Bruno Fernandes, and forces a really good save out of Dean Henderson. Fernandez's ball up towards Maguire, and Agate, and a save, and a scramble, and ultimately a stop from Henderson. United with their men to pick up. Oh, Yora couldn't win his header off the frame of the goal, and bundled in by Mateta, and Crystal Palace have the lead. Well, they've frustrated Manchester United. As Martinez held back there by Sarr, and he's still hurt here as well.
But he signalled straight away, just there.
And will now get the respect they deserve.
He's onside.
Munoz is through here, and he's got Mateta up with him. Mateta for 2-0, and it is 2.
He's offside, surely. Hey! He's got to be offside.
我讲 we wanted goals, but it all came from the opposition.
哎，真的2-0呢。 Well, that was a disappointing game. But all in all, if you are a fan of watching EPL matches, you have to come. I don't know how you do it, but come. You have to come and watch. Very, very exciting and very, very nice to watch.
90 minutes just flew past like
Yes, yeah.
then gone already.
Yes, yeah.
Anyway, I don't care. I don't care. Even if Man U lose 10-0, I still support Man U. And then all the players I find also handsome. Like so handsome. Very kind looking all very kind looking. Especially the Euro, right? I don't know why he looks very kind. Bruno also very kind.
Okay, so that's it for this venue video. We hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as we enjoyed watching this game.
I don't enjoy.
And as much as I will enjoy when I edit this video. My father-in-law.